Good morning from Oriental Rug Care. This is a wonderful project here. You see she's making this wonderful braid in the rug. It's right here at the end when she hand put on the fringes on this rug. And she takes a couple of them and she goes around it. See how careful this is? It's such a beautiful detail. You can see the line on this while she's doing that. Let me show you how nice the detail is. And once it's done, we work with the client and we figure out how many inches they want their new wool fringes to be. And then we cut it, nice straight line. And that's what we do. We love doing rug cleaning and repair at Oriental Rug Care. You see the love that Miss Evelyn puts into her repair work. And this is a wonderful silk one we're going to be working on. But call Oriental Rug Care today. We'd love to earn your business. Miss Evelyn?
Hi.
OrientalRugCare.com.